Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can download apps to your laptop that may be on Windows 10 or Windows 11. I'll tell you two cases with Microsoft Play Store and without Microsoft Play Store also. Means when you click on this Windows logo here, you'll find Microsoft Store here. If you don't find this icon here, you can just search as Microsoft Store. Okay. This is one way of downloading apps to your computer, and I'll tell you another way also at the end of the video. First of all, open the Microsoft Store and here click on this app section at the left side, and you'll find lot of apps, productivity apps and also games. Okay, see here there are genres: photo and video, productivity, utilities, entertainment, development tools. Say for example, if I click on productivity, by using different filters, see here Adobe, Microsoft Teams, and there is a tag here free here. So for now what I'll do is, maybe I can download this Perplexity AI. So I'll be just clicking on install here. Okay, fine. So now it is downloading. It is totally 78.81 MB, and I also told you that how you can download any games or apps without this Microsoft Store. So if you want any particular apps or games, you can search here. That is another way. Another way, as I told you, you can open Google and just download Google Games Beta for PC. Okay, this is the software. Okay, which you can run Android apps, means apps like APK files. What you play on your Android mobiles can be played on this computer, on this Lenovo laptop. See, this currently I'm showing on Lenovo AMD Ryzen 5 5625U laptop, which is Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 1. Okay, on this laptop I'm just installing this Google Play Games Beta, and once it is downloaded and installed, I can just play games of Android on the laptop Windows 11. So in using the Microsoft Store, you can download and install the apps, and without these apps also you can yeah, see here, this is installed here. It is already installed. So now when I just check for Perplexity, this is the app. So I can open this and I can use it. Okay, likewise, where is this? Yeah, see here, this has been downloaded to the computer and installed, and yes, you need to sign in with your email account. Okay, yeah, see here, once you confirm your sign in, and now you can just download any game. Say for example this, you can install here. This I am always doing now on this computer Windows 11 laptop, which is of Lenovo, and directly I can play games here which are of Android. I can play here. This is from the Play Store. I am installing and playing. Downloaded. So just for a moment, I'll just give a try to play this. Okay, so this is the pop-up opened here, so that I can just play this on my computer. Okay, yeah, I hope you like this tutorial.